My name is Philemon Shiepo. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be telling you or demonstrating to you the timeline of success, right? Because most people don't really know the timeline of success, what it really takes, and how long it really takes for you to be a success in affiliate marketing or online business itself, right? So when you go into my computer, I'm going to be demonstrating to you. I'm going to be telling you every obstacle that you're going to encounter, every problem that you're going to go through, every emotion that you're going to go through when you're starting with your online business, and how long it's really going to take for you to succeed in affiliate marketing. So let's dive into my computer, show you how. Success, right? This is everything. By the way, before I start, just wanna ask you about the intros. Like, how are you feeling them? Are they nice? Should I stop them and everything? So I'm really trying to do new things to my channel, try different experiments, lots of different types of things, right? So tell me about the intros and how are you feeling about them? By the way, do you ever wonder if I wear any pants when I'm doing the intros? Only a t-shirt. I'm just curious. By the way, I do. I'm just saying. Do you ever wonder that, right? I like really that. Right, so let's start with the timeline of success, right? Because when people start with affiliate marketing, they think it's this easy thing to do. Don't get me wrong, one should know about it. It's easy, right? I know this guy did this affiliate. He makes like the pro level of success, like the most amount of money you can make with affiliate marketing by just working 2 hours a day because he mastered it, right? He put it, right? So let's start with basically let's say like for the first 7 days. First 7 days, right? First 7 days you start with affiliate marketing, right? First 7 days, right? Because it's a week is 7 days, right? So let's say this for the first 7 days you're feeling it, you're in the mood, you're putting out the grind, you're doing everything you're told to do, watch the videos and everything, you're doing everything, and then bam! After 7 days of you expecting leads, expecting new people on your channel or whatsoever, it's dead ass flat, like dead flat. No one is coming. It's a zero, right? It's a zero. No one is coming, right? Then you start to doubt the system because that's what everyone does. Everyone starts to doubt the system. Everyone starts to say that's not work. It's not for them, and they try to create new ways and new excuses, right? For the thing of this, right? So, because people expect success to just come out of the blue, right? Or they expect it just to come out like this, right? Because you expect it to come out like this. It does not come easy. Trust me, I know that it does not come easy, right? Let me tell you about this. My dad was multi-millionaire, right? I don't really wanna talk about it, right? But then, when he started out, he did not even start. He started selling things under a tree, right? Laying a blanket under a tree and start selling apples and sweets and all those. That's how it started, right? And by that time he was 28 by the time he started. So that was like the grind was real back then, right? And now he owns multiple companies and blah 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 blah. The rest is history, right? But then I'm just telling you, it does not start off easy. Don't expect it to be all sugar and honey in the beginning, but that's the first stage, right? And then they watch a few motivational videos. There's a few that, and then let's say past a month time, of them trying it out. This is basically this time is the I'm really bad at drawing. This time is the hustle mode, right? Hustle mode. This is where you start consuming content, trying to learn new strategies and new tactics and new everything, right? New tactics, new strategies you're trying to implement. You're seeing some very good results and everything, right? So some people already quit here, right? But if you make it here, you're like not halfway there, but on a good track. You're on a good track. Because if you start putting out content and you see people, right? Because people, when they put out content, for example on YouTube, right? This is what I call the YouTube bubble, right? What's the YouTube bubble, right? Because every day there's over 1,000 channels being created on YouTube, right? Every single day, right? And every single day channels are trying to do like this, right? So for you to get out of this, a lot of these channels, right? So for you to get out of another person, right? For you to get out of all these things, to get out of the bubble, and to really get the publicity you deserve by YouTube, right? By YouTube, the publicity you deserve, you gotta post every single day. You gotta outbeat or outshine your competitors, right? So most people don't understand this. They bring up so many excuses. But then I'm this. But then I'm this. I live far away. I live in Africa. By the way, I live in Africa, right? But I live in Africa. Oh, I'm this color. I'm that color. I don't speak well. My voice is not good. Let me tell you something. There is a voice out there, like for you. Like there's a specific audience for you. Not everyone likes everything, right? Not everyone. He can be like, for example, let's say this one can be the best online marketer, but then his explanation does not resonate with you. Probably mine does better with you, or probably you don't like my reasoning, but you like his, right? But then there's people who like me, and there's people who don't, but don't like him, right? You gotta understand that there's a specific voice out there waiting for you, a specific audience. You just have to put out the content, right? I started realizing this because I started all the channels in my niche. That's why I even called it the 90-day plan, right? Because I started, I searched up all the channels in my niche, all the channels in my niche. There were like around about 11 tabs on my computer right there. And I went back at their videos, and I went back to the very first video, but the short video, and I went back and I searched all the videos and really looked when they really start, how they really start, and really understood that these people, when they started out, they were putting on the ground first. It took them 90 to 100 days, or even 90 days for them to get the publicity they want. And I did not stop uploading content. I did not stop, right? Let's go to my channel, right? I did not stop uploading videos every single day. I'm uploading a video. You see, every single day I'm uploading a video. Never miss a day for 3 weeks. I started 3 weeks ago, right? Since here, because here we are in exam here, and then from here I started uploading the videos every single day, right? Because I know that after 90 days, YouTube's gonna give me the publicity I want, and then success is gonna come, right? So in this, and then let's go to the 60 days, right? So this is 1 month. Then let's go to 60 days, which is around about 60. So let's say month, right? It's 60 days to 1 month. So this is where basically you start to really put in the work, and really the grind and the efforts and actually here is where you're like that motive. You're about to hit that breakthrough. You're about to reach this mark, right? And there's this saying basically that says that what you plan is what you get, right? People here is where they put out a lot of work, go on the grind, really stay up until 3, 4, 5 a.m. in the morning, right? Just to put in the work, right? And that's me, right? I'm here every single day in this thing of ours, right? I'm here every single day. It's 38 degrees Celsius. I'll put a photo around about somewhere here. You'll see a photo, right? And if you probably don't see it because of my bad editing, right? If you don't see the photo, it's 38 degrees, right? It's 38 degrees out here. I'm sweating, Bob, right? But I don't care about the degrees Celsius that's there. I wanna be in a nice cooler, but no, guess what? Success does not require that. Success requires hard work, dedication, showing up every single day, and being committed, right? If you're not committed with your online business, if you're not committed to affiliate marketing success, you are never going to be successful in affiliate marketing all your life, right? You have to be committed. You have to be willing to suffer now and enjoy later. And that's what I'm doing. I'm suffering now every single day. I'm sweating, right? Every single day I'm suffering. Coming here, but that's what they say. Take really what you like, or what you really like, right? Because then you don't feel like it's work. I don't feel like this is work. I like enjoying it. I like thinking about it so. I don't like the sweat though, but hey, that's what it takes to be successful. That's what it takes to be successful, right? So you're gonna have ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs, and then you're really going to hit the 90-day mark where you're gonna hit the breakthrough. That's where the breakthrough starts, the shining starts. This is where you really start getting the publicity or the things you want, the fame you want, and everything like that, right? So, guys, I just want to tell you that don't give up if it does not look good to you right now. It's gonna be good, right? Just trust me. Just do this. I challenge you right now, right? I, Philemon Schaefer, challenge you who is watching this video right now, who did not even create a channel, or who did not even upload a first video, or who just the beginners, right? I challenge you to do this 90-day challenge, right? What do I mean by that? Put out a video every single day for 90 days, and I promise you, after that, you'll see success. Right? I challenge you to do that. Comment down below in the description saying challenge accepted if you really accept the challenge, if you're really gonna do it. Let's see who's gonna beat out, who's gonna drop out. And remember, this is for you guys, it's not for anyone else. If you wanna have the dream life you deserve, you gotta go through the steps. You gotta go through the failures and the successes that goes with it, right? Like you gotta go through the failures and success that goes through it. There's no other way of getting out of the bubble, right? This is how the court is, right? So this is how the court is, right? You have to go from here to here to here to here, right? The moment you take a shortcut, try to leave this out because it's way too long. The moment you take a shortcut, you just created a bigger court. Right, so don't take shortcuts, guys. Do this the hard way, the way that's supposed to be done, so you have a stable foundation. So next time, create success with your online business, right? So thanks for watching, guys. Check out my #1 recommended system that teach me everything about affiliate marketing, everything that you need to know. Yeah, how I learned this time and everything. I'm actually messy right now, of course. Yeah. Everything, but check out my #1 section, recommended section, link in the description, guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Philemon Schaefer. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, guys. Like the video. Don't forget to check out my #1 section, recommendation again if you want to create success with affiliate marketing, guys, and take on the 90-day challenge. See you in the next video. Peace.